Here we have the Blepha EyeBag. Can you tell me a bit more about this particular product?
Absolutely. So the optometrist might have recommended you a Blepha EyeBag if you're experiencing symptoms like watery eyes, gritty eyes, and feeling a little bit sore, with the aim of really improving the quality of your tears and feeling a lot more comfortable.
Great.
So Blepha EyeBag's a really nice product to use actually. It's a very relaxing regime. So Blepha EyeBag works by popping the bag on a clean plate in the microwave for 30 seconds. You take it out, give it a little bit of a shake, and then you've literally got to lie down for 10 minutes with the bag on your face. Opportunity to have a little bit of quiet time, listen to some music. And when you've done your 10 minutes, remembering to give those eyelids a nice massage as well, just to encourage all that goodness out of the eyelids that we want to get going.
Great. Sounds like a mini spa. Thank you.